So you're ready for a WordPress SEO tutorial. What about a strategy for SEO for 2022? Without a strategy, basically you're running in the dark for your SEO. So if you're an online marketer or an affiliate marketer, with a strategy of a clear plan, you can run the plan, work the plan, keep on running and get great results. So today, I've not only got a great strategy for your SEO for 2022, I've got a free course that I'd like to offer you. I've just finished an SEO strategy, an online marketing course for WordPress for 2022. This course will help you get to the top of Google and stay at the top of the Google. Because why would you spend a lot of money on advertising when you get free traffic from SEO? Have a look at the course here and I'll give you a quick demo and then you can go and actually sign up for free. This course is on Skillshare. So if you're not a member, no worries. Check out this link here. That will give you a free membership for 7-day free trial and get you free access to this course. As you can see in here, it's not a small course. It's quite detailed. It's 25 different videos and averaging around 1.5 to 2 minutes each. Let me just play the actual intro for you right now. SEO is a deep and complex field. In this training course, I share my 12 plus years of SEO experience in a simple yet effective way so that you not only have the base knowledge that's solidly in place, you have a strategy that works. But I simplify something that is quite complicated, making it easy for you to get results fast. So I start off in this course teaching the core principles that you need to be effective with your on-site SEO, all the basics. Then I move on to teaching about a tried and tested SEO on-site strategy, which is content-based. Having a clear understanding of this strategy is what will help you get to the top and stay at the top on Google. I started in SEO just over 12 years ago in Singapore. I created an SEO company that became one of the leading SEO companies there. And within 3 years, our team grew to over 40 full-time team members. Google, though, changed the SEO game several years ago. And I learned the hard way about SEO when all our clients' ranking dropped and disappeared overnight. From that experience, I have learned that the only long-term strategy for SEO is quality content. Google only wants to link to the best quality content. So giving Google what it wants is always a win-win strategy. So go and enjoy that course now. Sign up, there's the link again. It's free, you get a 7-day trial to Skillshare as well, so you can see a lot of the other videos. And I've got a couple of other courses on there, but they're quite old, a little bit embarrassing. I'm just going to update some of them. But this year I'm going to basically do a lot more courses for online marketers, SEO, speed, and a lot of other different stuff. So stay tuned. So thank you again. Catch you again soon. Yoo-hoo!